Everyone's going crazy. Everyone's going nuts. Everyone thinks the world's gonna end. Not me. I don't think that. I'm ready for this shit. You see the shades on? You know why I got these shades on? So I can look like McCready. McCready from The Thing, one of my favorite movies. I'm ready for when they take over, when the creatures come to take me. Right now, in the DC area, everyone's going crazy about the snowstorm. I think we're gonna get about 2 feet. That's my, you know what? I'm gonna guess 26 inches as the final snowfall. Look, we already got a little snow on the ground. I'm gonna guess 26 inches as the final snowfall. You can place your bets right now. You guys hear that bird? Alright, I'm gonna guess 26 inches as the final snowfall. And that's gonna be happening tonight. For now, we're gonna go run to our local supermarket and get some milk and bread. We're gonna drive over there and then we're gonna walk back. It's madness in here. People are going crazy. My haircut's all messed up.
What is it?
Look at this place, it's savage. You have creatures hanging. These innocent creatures hanging. The people have gone nuts, just destroying them. It's a mess. It's a mess in here. Oh my god. You're in the organic section. No one's ransacked it yet. Shit's too expensive. Oh look, Kylo Ren.
It's gonna take them.
Good God.
Yesterday was the first day
Lord. They took my boy. They took my wife. They took everything from me. It's freezing right now. We got about 2 feet. We got a good 2 feet of snow. I'm gonna trek on up this hill. Oh my God.
That is one big pile of
Snow. Your streets are looking pretty good. It's not bad at all. This guy's gonna come by and kill me. Let's see if I can get a good shot. Smooth, you see that? I intended on doing some cool thing where I was like, I got my fingerless gloves and I was like, oh, I'm gonna bring my GoPro out here and I'm gonna do a drawing. Oh, look, this cool big truck coming by. I'm gonna do some drawing thing. I'm gonna draw people shoveling snow, but I ain't doing that shit. My hands are too numb. I'm cold. You guys are gonna have to settle for some custom anime. Hey. The guy was drinking in the back of the truck. I wonder if he got the video. But like they're drunk snowplow operators. You guys are gonna have to settle for some cool animated segments in between these, in between this shit. Because my hands are numb, man. I'm at home drawing anyway. Hey, what do you want from me? You fucks? Alright, let me know how your snow thing went. If you were snowed in. This sky is blood red. I don't know if you can tell from here. You'll have to do some color correction in post. I didn't have to correct any of these colors in post. The sunset is as you see it. I didn't alter it at all. The final snowfall was somewhere around 24 inches, so I think I was mostly right. Went a little bit over, but whatever. If you had any snow in your area, if you got caught in the blizzard, post in the comments, let me know what happened, anything cool happened, or if you just stayed inside and it was like a bum all weekend, whatever. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff.
Keep it, it's yours.